morning children. Welcome to online class. Children, in previous class I taught you about profit and loss and also I given you notes related to profit and loss. Children, today I will teach you about the unitary method, that is chapter 4. First, our topic is unitary method. What is our topic? Unitary method. So first I will explain you what is unitary method. What is unitary method? The unitary method is a technique for solving a problem by first finding the value of single unit. For first finding the value of single unit and then finding the necessary value by multiplying the single unit value. Okay, in short, the method of finding value of an article by division and then finding the value of more article by multiplying is called unitary methods. Once again, the method of finding value of an article by division and then finding the value of more article by multiplication is called unitary method. That is most important, students. First we have to see what we have to find. We have to find the unit value of unit articles. Value of unit articles. Okay. Then we have to find the value of more articles. Then we have to find the value of more articles. Okay. Now take one example. Example, the cost of 15 pence, that is rupees 450. Okay, and then what is the cost of, question is here, what is the cost of 7 pence? What is given? The cost of 15 pence is rupees 450. Cost of 15 pence is here for how much? 450 rupees. Then what is the cost of 7 pence? So what I told you, by unitary method what we have to find? For first we get the value of 1 pen. First we get the value of 1 pen and after getting the value of 1 pen we have to find the value of 7 pence. See how to find? Here what is given? Here we have 15 pence. We have 15 pence with the cost 450. 15 pence with the cost 450. Then write here 15, cost of 15 pence. Here we have 15 pence with cost how much? 450 rupees. Okay, what is given here? Here cost 15 pence with the cost 450 rupees. So what I told you, first we get the value of 1 pen. First we get the value of 1 pen. So what value of 1 pen? Value of 1 pen, that is what is given here? Total cost. We have to find the cost. Value and cost both are the same, means cost we have to find, cost of 1 pen or value of 1 pen, that is total cost divided by number of pens. What is how to find the value of 1 pen? Total cost, that is divided by number of pens. So what is the total cost here? Total cost is 450 and number of pens is how much? 15. Divided 15 3s are 45, 30 rupees. Okay, that means cost of 1 pen or value of 1 pen, that is 30 rupees. Okay, now we get the value of 1 pen, that is 30 rupees. So what I told, after getting the value of one pen, we have to find the 7 pence. So how we will find the 7 pence? Value of here, value of one pen is 30 rupees. Then value of 7 pence. What we have to do? Value of one pen multiply value of one pen multiply 7. Okay, what is the value of one pen? 30. That is multiply 7. That is 7 3s are 21 and 0. Okay. Okay students. Now here first total, that means cost of 7 pen. What is the cost of 7 pence? Easily we can find, yes, cost of 7 pen is cost of 7 pence. What is this? 210 rupees. So in this questions we see, first we find the here cost of 15 pence is given, and what we did here, first we find the cost of one pen. After getting the cost of one pen, we find the cost of 7 pen by multiplying. So let us take another example. Write the question. If second examples, if 16 girls can plant 224 trees in a day, how many trees could 18 girls plant a day? Students, here 16 girls can plant 224 trees in a day. Okay, then we have to find the 18 girls. So what I have to do? First we have to calculate the plant. How many one girls can plant how many trees here in a day? First we will find that, and afterwards we will find the total trees planted by 18 girls. Okay, that means we have to find the trees planted by one girl. Trees planted by, that is solution, trees planted by one girl. What I told you, we have to write the total trees divided by number of girls. Total trees divided by number of girls. Okay, then what is the total trees here? 224. And how many girls, total girls is here? 16. Divide it. If you don't know divide, draw in rough paper, write and solve, and after then you write here. That is the answer is here 16. Otherwise reduce the number. You can reduce 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4 again, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, and again this one will be the 2 6s are 12. Again this one is the 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. That means 40. Means trees, what we get here, trees planted by one girl. How much? 14 in a day. In a day. Then we have to find the 18 girls. Then here trees planted by 18 girls. Trees planted by 18 girls. That is what? Trees planted by one girl multiply 18. You have to write here trees planted by one girl multiply 18. That means trees planted by one girl is here how much? 14. So we write 14 multiply 18. Multiply this number in rough and write the answer. That one will be 252. Okay. That means what we did here. First we find here 16 girls can plant 224. Total trees is given. Girls is given. First we find the one girls how much they see planted in a day. Then after finding the value of one day, one girl, how much she plant? She plant in a day 14 trees. Okay, and after then we find the trees planted by 18 girls by multiplying both the number. That is the process here. That means here in unitary methods, first we have to find the unit value of article, each articles, unit value of each articles. After finding the each article's value, we have to find what values in the questions are given. Okay, that means the method of finding value of an article, how? By dividing. How we find the one article's value? By dividing total number, total trees that is given and divided by the numbers. Okay. So how to find this method, unitary method, finding the value of an article by division. And after finding the value of each article, we have to find the more value of cost of the more articles by multiplying. By multiplying, we find the value of the more article. That is called the unitary method. The unitary method. Okay, children, in next class I will give you the notes of this chapter, unitary method.